What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to tie a balloon, just like this. Alright, so this may seem pretty basic, but I just want to help you guys out with whatever you need when it comes to making balloon animals. So for this video, we're just going to learn how to tie a balloon. And believe it or not, when I first started making balloon animals, tying the balloon was actually kind of difficult for me, and I had to ask someone how to do it. So I wanted to make a video for you guys to show you how I tie a balloon. Alright, so I wanted to give you guys a little closer up view and how I actually tie this balloon. So I'm holding this in my right hand. This is just a 5-inch round balloon, and this is something you can do with really any kind of balloon, whether it's one of those long skinny ones, those are the entertainer styles, or one of these round balloons, whatever size. So you want to grab it in one hand, and I just hold it with my thumb, and then I have these two fingers here ready, my pointer finger and my middle finger right there. And what I'm going to do is get my other hand here, and I use my left, and I grab that nozzle, and then I bring it over the tip of these two fingers. Now I want to get it as close as I can to the end of those fingers, so that when I bring it back around, it's easy to push through and pull that knot. So I bring it around here, and all I have to do at this point with my left hand here is push it through the middle of these two fingers, my pointer finger and my middle, and I just push that nozzle through. Okay, and at this point I just slip my fingers out on that right hand, and then I can simultaneously pull on this left. And that is how you tie a balloon. All right, my friends, I hope that was helpful for you. Once again, I'm Joey. I'm glad you stopped by. And this channel is all about teaching you guys how to make money as a balloon twister. We have a bunch of great tutorials on balloon animals and different designs, as well as some tips and tricks on how to do it professionally, how to run it as a business. Now, if you guys want more great videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. Either way, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you later.